surprised we've had our share of rain this summer. It's awesome. I've been so used to drought for the last 5 years that it's unusual to have such a rainy summer. And every time it rains, we get reminded of all the low spots in the driveway, so that's still a problem. But not today's problem. We're gonna go check on Brian. He's working on the shed, so let's see the progress he's making.
All right, the only thing that's keeping the shed from going sideways are the end walls. So I'm gonna put some bracing up. Something like that. Well, every 4 feet will get a brace. So we'll get one here. And then another one over here. Like that. So we'll have 4 on each side. Yeah, and that should help keep the whole shed from racking back and forth. So, because right now the only thing holding it up are those little metal clips that tie the truss to the wall. So that's not enough. So especially up here, it's super windy. So let's get her done. I'm using these timber bolts. They are, I think, 4.5 inches long. Nice flat head. It'll pull the brace right up against the wall stud and the roof truss. Always pre-drill a hole, otherwise you're just going to split the wood. Especially a stud. It's only 1.5 inches wide. So. Originally I was going to take a little notch out of here so I had a nice flat surface, but then you're taking a big chunk of the wood out. I thought this was a better way to go. It ain't gonna go anywhere. Looking good.
Yo! Hey. I forgot we're calling it a barn now because it's so gigantic. So you put up some bracing, I see, on the inside there.
Yes. I put some nailing blocks all the way around. Got one more to put over here.
And that's so you can affix the siding.
Right.
You have a place to nail it.
Exactly.
So it's 2x2 boards?
Yep. Because if I was smart, I would have made the overhangs with 2x4s, and then there would have been an exposed edge from the truss. So, but I didn't do that.
Weren't thinking that many steps ahead, but that's all right.
That's all right.
Goal for today is to get some of that siding finished up. I see you bought some more.
Yeah, I've got some 9-foot sheet. So what I'm going to do is have that come down like to here. So it overlaps a little bit with the bottom part. Actually to there. And then that'll probably leave me a gap at the top. And I'll use some of the cedar shingles that we have
Oh, nice.
at the peak.
That'll match
Yeah.
match the house.
Exactly.
So it rained really heavy last night. I'm going to take a look in here.
Yeah.
Yesterday, yeah. So we have a roof on, but it's not waterproof.
No. In fact, I don't think I'm going to do the floorboards up there until we get it, at least until the underlayment's on. The other thing I have to do is frame the window for upstairs and the door.
Oh, so there's a window up here,
Yeah.
and then this end has the door.
Right.
Okay.
So much easier to do that, and it won't. Otherwise, if we have a ladder inside, we're limited to 23 or 22 and a half inches wide because you got to go in between the joists, and then plus the stairs will be in the way, right? So unless you do like a pull down. So if you're carrying stuff up, what a pain in the rear that is.
Yeah, not too efficient to have a pull-down ladder for storage.
Right.
I mean, limits what you can store.
Right, exactly. So we have an exterior door, and then we're golden. It's plenty of room, easy to get inside.
Look like you're wet, like you went into the water. Hey, get back here. Well, it's another rained out day, and it's a little bit worse than it was yesterday, at least with the lightning. It's pretty severe thunder and lightning right now. I've just seen quite a few bolts hit the ridge right there, so it's like right on top of us. Well, we got rained out again, working on the shed. It just doesn't seem to want to cooperate. That weather is super frustrating, but we actually have a bigger problem right now. So yeah, 100% rained out. We had big plans, but
I
got
shut down.
shut
I
down.
gotta do something else.
There's a bigger problem on the
Bigger
horizon.
problem.
We got to tell folks what happened here. You ran to town for some supplies, and then
Torrential rains.
it was crazy. Huge storm.
When the cement trucks left, they cut the driveway corner, drove into the culvert, and crushed the culvert pipe. So it's only got a hole that big around. Well, now it's full of dirt.
Yep. So he's going to go down there with the tractor, try to dig out the culvert, try to jack it up a little bit so we can get some water flow in there. But still raining, supposed to rain the rest of the day today. So unusual for us here in Colorado. We just normally don't have this kind of weather. We complain about the snow sometimes, keeping our jobs from getting finished, but this summer it's the rain that's the big issue. So Brian's going to get the tractor ready. I'm going to change shoes, walk down there, show you guys what it looks like. Hopefully it's something that we can take care of, because it's one of those problems. You don't take care of it soon, you create a much bigger problem for yourself later. Walking down the hillside, I'm going to get soaking wet from this grass. I know it. Whew, rain's picking up, I think, a little bit. But I'm starting to see something that doesn't look too good. Yeah. We've got some major washout going on. Wow, guys. The road. This is where the culvert got crushed. Okay, guys? Look at that. That was from the cement trucks that took a tight turn in, crushed it, and when you haven't got around to it, Brian wasn't really focused on repairing that immediately, and well, paying the price for it right now, because there is no top of the culvert. It's completely level with the road. So see this cut channel here, the ditch. water flowing and nowhere's to flow to, going right into the road. Look at the state of the road. Now, to be fair, this side of the road has the same problem, so we aren't the only ones with ruined culverts. There's a culvert up here. There's one just lying on the side of the road right here, and then nothing right here. It just goes right in the middle of the road. Attempting to pull it up with the bucket, I guess. Got one tooth under it.
Huh?
More water flow.
Trying to
A
unbend
little bit
it.
more water flow.
Should have brought a crowbar.
I'll work on this part later. Now to dig out the area that's buried. Feels like a losing battle. Trying to find the edge of that culvert.
I don't even know where it is.
I don't see it. It's back here more.
See it?
No, but it's probably back here more, right? Poke around. That looks all like loose, fresh dirt.
They gotta back up a little.
Yeah.
This is gonna keep filling up.
I know, it's gonna keep filling up. It's gonna be happening all over the county, filled in culverts.
I know.
Can't fix it today, but. Well, I tried. Abandoned project number 2 for today. Well, guys, I guess that's a rainy wrap for today. I don't know what to say. What a waste of a weekend. It's got rained out the whole time.